Okay, so question 12, solve x squared minus x minus 12 is equals to 0, okay? And I'm not quite sure if this is already on the Instagram page, but if it isn't, it should be up there soon, hopefully. So to do this question, all we need to do is factorize this quadratic, okay? And to factorize it, we need to put them into brackets. And in this case, it's double brackets for this quadratic, okay? And in these brackets, we just want to put in things that when we expand the bracket, so when we times them out, we get the original equation here, okay? So I'll first start with an x and an x, because x times x is x squared. And then I need to figure out two numbers that multiply together to give me minus 12 and add together to give me minus 1, okay? I use minus 1 because if you look at the minus x in the middle, minus 1 times x is minus x, so we use minus 1 here. And the two numbers are minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 times 3 is minus 12, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Okay, so we're going to write that in here. So we're going to write minus 4 plus 3. And all we need to do now is solve for the values of x. Okay, so to do this, all you do is ignore one of the brackets and then make the other bracket equal to 0. So I'll show that below. So we have x minus 4 equals to 0. So we ignore x plus 3. We add 4 either side. So x equals to 4. And then for the next one is x plus 3 is equals to 0. We subtract 3 either side, so x is equals to minus 3. So our answers are x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 3. And that's it.